Green beans, also known as snap beans or string beans, are a popular vegetable celebrated for their vibrant color, tender texture, and versatility in cooking. Native to Central and South America, green beans have been a staple in kitchens worldwide for centuries. Their popularity continues to grow due to their nutritional benefits, ease of preparation, and adaptability to a wide range of culinary dishes. Green beans are available in various varieties, each offering unique characteristics, but all share the same basic structure: a long, slender pod filled with small, edible seeds. When harvested while still young, the beans are tender, and the pods are crunchy, making them a perfect addition to salads, stir-fries, casseroles, and as a side dish. They come in several colors, with green being the most common, but they can also appear in yellow and purple hues, adding visual appeal to meals. The pod is the part of the plant that is consumed, although the beans inside can also be eaten once the pod is removed, especially when they're mature. The nutritional profile of green beans is impressive, offering numerous health benefits. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes heart health, and helps in weight management. The fiber found in green beans can also help lower cholesterol levels, making them a valuable vegetable for cardiovascular health. Green beans are low in calories and fat, which makes them an ideal food choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or reduce their risk of chronic diseases. In addition, they are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Folate, or vitamin B9, is vital for cell growth and regeneration, making green beans particularly beneficial during pregnancy and for overall health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper muscle and nerve function. For those following plant-based diets, green beans provide a nutrient-dense and low-calorie option that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. The cultivation of green beans requires specific growing conditions, and the plant thrives in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. Green beans are typically grown in the spring and summer months, as they require a temperature range between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit to grow successfully. They are relatively easy to grow, making them a popular choice for home gardeners. Green bean plants can be classified as either bush beans or pole beans, with bush beans growing to a compact size, making them suitable for smaller gardens or containers. Pole beans, on the other hand, require trellises or supports to grow upward, allowing for more efficient space usage in larger garden beds. Green beans are typically sown directly into the soil from seeds and are harvested when the pods are still tender and green, usually within 50 to 60 days of planting. Harvesting green beans at the right time is essential to ensure they maintain the crisp texture and nutritional value. Overripe green beans, with mature seeds inside, tend to become tough and less palatable. Growing green beans organically is a popular practice, as they are a low-maintenance crop that thrives without the need for chemical pesticides or fertilizers. Cooking with green beans is an art, as they can be prepared in countless ways to complement a variety of dishes. The most common method is to blanch or steam green beans, which helps preserve their vibrant color and texture while softening them slightly. This can be followed by sauté them with garlic, olive oil, and herbs for added flavor. Green beans are also delicious when stir-fried, as the high heat helps to maintain their crispness while adding depth to their flavor. They can be roasted in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper for a simple yet flavorful side dish. Another popular preparation method is to incorporate them into casseroles, such as the classic green bean casserole often served at Thanksgiving. Here, green beans are baked with a creamy mushroom sauce and topped with crispy fried onions, making for a rich, indulgent dish. Green beans can also be eaten raw, either as a snack or added to salads, offering a crisp texture and refreshing flavor. Regardless of the cooking method, it is essential to avoid overcooking green beans, as this can cause them to lose their bright color and become mushy. They should be cooked until just tender to preserve their natural crunch and nutrient content. In addition to being a delicious and nutritious food, green beans play a significant role in agriculture and the global food industry. As one of the most widely cultivated vegetables, green beans are grown in many parts of the world, particularly in North America, Europe, and Asia. In the United States, they are grown in abundance, with states like California, Michigan, and New York leading the production. Green beans are also exported to countries around the world, making them an important agricultural commodity. They are typically harvested and sold fresh, though they are also widely available in frozen, canned, and dried forms, which offer convenience and long shelf life. Frozen green beans are a popular choice for consumers, as they retain much of their nutritional value and flavor when properly stored. The production and consumption of green beans contribute significantly to the economy, as they support jobs in agriculture, food processing, and retail industries. Additionally, green beans are often part of crop rotation systems, helping to improve soil health and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. As consumer demand for fresh, healthy, and sustainable food options continues to rise, the cultivation and consumption of green beans will likely remain an important aspect of global food systems. Green beans, a versatile and nutritious vegetable, have been enjoyed across cultures for centuries. While they are commonly associated with the family of legumes, they are actually classified as a vegetable in culinary terms. Native to the Americas, green beans have spread globally due to their adaptability to various climates and ease of cultivation. The plant itself is part of the Phaseolus vulgaris species, which includes other popular legumes like kidney beans and black beans. Green beans grow in long, slender pods, typically ranging from 4 to 7 inches in length, and their tender, crisp texture makes them a perfect addition to both raw and cooked dishes. Though they are most often found in green, they also come in varieties with yellow and purple pods, each providing a unique visual appeal. The beans inside the pods are small, but when harvested young, they remain tender, juicy, and flavorful. Harvesting them at the right time is key to maintaining the right balance of flavor, texture, and nutrition. Green beans are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. They are low in calories and rich in vitamins, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties, helps to protect the body against oxidative stress and supports the immune system. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and proper blood clotting, while folate, also known as vitamin B9, is essential for cell division and growth, making it particularly beneficial for pregnant women. Green beans are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber plays a role in reducing cholesterol levels, which can improve heart health. Moreover, green beans contain important minerals like potassium, which helps in balancing fluid levels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. The high water content in green beans also contributes to hydration, making them an ideal food for maintaining overall health. With such an array of nutrients, green beans are a wonderful addition to both everyday meals and specialized diets. Growing green beans can be an easy and rewarding experience, especially for gardeners with a passion for cultivating their own food. Green beans thrive in warm weather, requiring a frost-free growing season. Typically, the plants are sown from seeds directly into the soil in spring, once the danger of frost has passed. They prefer well-drained, fertile soil and a sunny location, as these conditions help them grow tall and strong. Green beans are typically grown in two main forms, bush beans and pole beans. Bush beans are compact and require minimal support, making them perfect for small gardens or container gardening. In contrast, pole beans grow taller and require some form of trellis or stakes to support their upward growth. Pole beans tend to produce higher yields because they utilize vertical space more efficiently. While growing green beans is generally straightforward, it's essential to protect them from pests, such as aphids, caterpillars, and the common bean beetle, which can damage the plants. Green beans are also susceptible to certain diseases, including rust and blight, so it's vital to rotate crops and maintain good garden hygiene. Once harvested, green beans are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, offering endless possibilities for preparation and cooking. They can be steamed, sautéed, roasted, or stir-fried, each method enhancing the beans' natural flavor and preserving their nutrients. Steaming green beans is one of the simplest ways to prepare them, allowing their vibrant green color and tender texture to shine through. For a more flavorful option, sauté them with garlic, olive oil, and herbs is a popular choice, as it adds depth and aroma to the beans while maintaining their crispness. Roasting green beans in the oven at high temperatures can also bring out the natural sweetness and create a slightly caramelized, crispy exterior. For a more hearty dish, green beans are often incorporated into casseroles, such as the famous green bean casserole, which pairs them with creamy sauces and crunchy toppings. Another great way to enjoy green beans is by incorporating them into salads, either raw or blanched, where their crisp texture complements fresh vegetables and dressing. Green beans can even be pickled for preservation, allowing their flavor to be enjoyed year-round. Regardless of preparation, it's important not to overcook green beans, as they can become limp and lose their bright color and appealing texture. Green beans also hold an important role in sustainable farming practices. They are an excellent choice for crop rotation due to their ability to enrich the soil with nitrogen, a vital nutrient for plant growth. As legumes, green beans fix nitrogen in the soil, making them an ideal plant for helping to restore soil fertility between other crops like corn or tomatoes. This process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and supports organic farming practices. Additionally, green beans are often grown in regions where food security is an issue, offering a low-cost, high-nutrient option for families and communities. In areas where access to fresh produce is limited, green beans can be grown locally, providing a sustainable and affordable source of nutrition. With the increasing demand for environmentally conscious and sustainable agriculture, green beans represent a great option for farmers looking to reduce their environmental impact while providing essential nutrients to communities. The crop's resilience and adaptability to various climates also make it a valuable food source in changing global conditions, helping to ensure a steady supply of fresh, healthy vegetables for future generations. As more consumers turn to locally grown, sustainable foods, green beans will continue to play an important role in shaping the future of global food systems.